1969 long frame Anniversary. Pretty rare beast. Coming in for complete resto. You can see there's a fair bit of rust problems with it. Decals, we'll do something about that. They're beautiful, but they're faded. Floating star, all blue and white on this model. There's the front. And I've got black with the white on the mustard. That looks really good. Crank's cleaned up really well. I probably will reuse that. Cowling and head set, no. Got another cowl. Polished one, look good. The headstand, not going to bother trying to fix that up. I got the details on these. Excellent little pin lines that just set it off. Even on the back rail. Anyway, this is we're at the paint shop next week, and we'll get the code done and get that mustard colour. That'll be the first step now. We've stripped it all down.